Hey, what's up guys? Back with another video today. I'm going to be showing you guys 5 new tweaks that I've installed on my iPhone. If you guys don't know how to install tweaks on Cydia yet or haven't watched my last video, please do so. Our first tweak is called Floating Dock Plus. This tweak makes your dock transparent, and it also helps you with multitasking, giving you a split view option and shortcuts for your dock. Let's say you are searching the web and you also want to be texting somebody. So what you can do is flip over, you swipe up, you go to your messages, and you can move them to the side. So now you have both your messages here and the internet here. And you could do that with different apps, but you have to put them on your dock. It also gives you shortcuts. So if you swipe to the left on your dock, it brings up your notifications. You swipe to the right, brings up your control center. If you swipe up, it'll bring you to all your recent apps. And if you swipe down, it locks your device. Our next tweak is called LOCKANIM. This tweak, what it does is it changes the animation when you lock your screen. So right now, I'm in the settings, I have it enabled. My animation I have is broken. So when I lock my device, you see that animation. Let's do it again. All right, so we could change that animation with this tweak. I could put TV off. So now if we lock our device, it changes it. We could put a pull up. We could even put resize up. All these different animations, TV tube. And my personal favorite is the broken one. That's what this tweak does. Something simple, but it's pretty cool. Something that makes your iPhone more original to everybody else's. The next tweak is called DOUBLECUT. This is actually a very useful one that allows you to add shortcuts on the keys of your keyboard. So I have a couple already set up here. Let me show you how it works. So if I double tap on space, it writes subscribe for more videos. If I double tap C, it says see you later. If I double tap on G, it says hello. And let's say I wanted to write my email address. I double tap on the @ and my email address comes out. And you could actually customize this to anything that you want. You simply just go to settings, DOUBLECUT, you add Sherpit, and on the top, what you're gonna do is you're gonna do the key that you actually want to double press. And next right here, you're going to put the message that you want. I don't know, like, hey you, and we're gonna hit save. And next, right here, double tap L, and it says hey you. Just a quicker way to text. It's pretty handy. Next tweak is delete forever. This is one of my personal favorites. So this one, what it helps you do is when you have a couple pictures that you want to delete, you know, usually you go to the delete and it just says delete photo, and then you have to go back to your album, go all the way back and put delete to actually delete it from your phone. So with this app, it actually gives you another option which says permanently delete photo. You press that, it deletes it. You go to albums, recently deleted, it shows 0. If you do it the other way, which is how it is on every iPhone, delete photo, you go back to your albums, you go all the way down, recently deleted, and it shows up right there. So that's a pretty cool, handy tweak, one of my favorites. And that's called delete forever. Our last tweak for today is called PRISMBOARD. If you guys haven't noticed, my keyboard actually changes colors every app that I open, and it has like this little ripple effect. That is with this tweak, PRISMBOARD. You can enable it here, and also you can enable the ripples. So if you don't really like it to have the little effect, you could also take that off. So these were the 5 top new tweaks that I have for you guys. I'm going to be doing another video pretty soon because I have another 5 that I want to install on my iPhone. I'm going to test them out first, make sure that they work properly, and then I'm going to make another video. If you guys are liking my videos, please comment, subscribe, and share with all your social media. That way I can get more views and I could keep doing these videos, because that shows that you guys are actually interested in the videos that I'm making. And if you guys were wondering what theme I'm using on my icons, that theme is called Snowboard. That theme is called Mint. It's called Mint 3, and you can find it on Cydia. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for the next video.